Pokémon GO Fest 2025 is shaping up to be the biggest celebration yet, with in-person event lighting up Osaka, Jersey City and Paris this June, and a massive global event happening in June 28th and 29th. This is your chance to encounter exciting Pokemon, complete exclusive research and team up with millions around the world. Now, if you can't make it to Japan, the US or France, no worries. PoGoskill has your back. This smart location spoofing tool lets you join the event from anywhere, with features like teleportation, joystick control, cooldown timer, and even an auto catcher. So let's quickly dive into how it works and why it is a total game changer for any Pokemon trainer. Let's kick things off with the setup, because before you start teleporting around the globe like a Pokemon catching time traveler, you have got to get PoGoskill up and running on your computer. Don't worry, this part is pretty painless. Whether you are Team Windows or Team macOS, just head over to the official website, download the installer and simply run it. The whole process feels like installing any other app. Click through the setup prompts, sit back for a few seconds and boom, you're ready to roll. Now once the installation finishes, you will see a big start button. Go ahead and click it. That will launch the tool and get everything prepped for connecting your phone. Now comes the important part, that is connecting your device. Simply grab your trusty phone and a USB cable. Now plug it into your computer and let's go through a couple of quick steps. If you're using an Android device, you will need to enable USB debugging first. To do that, simply jump into your phone's setting and find developer options. If developer options isn't showing up, no stress. Just go to about phone and tap the build number 7 times. Yep, 7 times. It's like unlocking a secret level. Once developer option appears, go and flip the switch for USB debugging. Now plug in your phone and you will likely see a pop-up asking if you trust the computer. Simply hit allow. From here, PoGoskill takes over and begins setting things up on the device. It might take a minute or two, so feel free to stretch, check your Pokédex or grab a snack. Once done, Pokemon Go should launch automatically on your phone. Just sign in like usual and you're all set. Easy, right? And trust me, the real fun is just getting started. Now for the part you have been waiting for, that is teleportation. Yep. This is where PoGoskills really start to feel like a cheat code for real life. Once you are logged into Pokemon Go, the app gives you a full world map to play with. Just click on any location on the map, hit the Start Modify button and zap, your in-game character instantly appeared there. No passport, no plane ticket required. But if jumping halfway across the globe in one click feels a bit too magical, don't worry. PoGoskills got your back with something a little more grounded, that is joystick mode. This feature is a total game changer if you prefer a more natural walking experience without actually walking. Now when you turn this on, a virtual joystick pops on your screen. You can control your movement using your mouse or keyboard and even adjust your walking speed. And when something pops up that you want to catch, simply hit stop, tap the Pokemon and boom, you are in the business. Now before you go full globe throttle, there is one very important thing you need to keep in mind. That is the cooldown timer. Think of it as your personal anti-ban bodyguard. Now here is the deal. If you teleport from New York to London and immediately try to catch a Pokemon or spin a Pokestop, the game might think something is fishy and flag your account. The cooldown timer saves you from that. It tells you exactly how long to wait before interacting with anything in the game based on how far you have traveled. Now let's talk about another great feature that it has to offer, that is single spot movement. Here you just tap on a spot on the map where you want your character to go, pick a walking speed and then choose how they travel. Should they go once and stop, make a round trip, or keep looping like they are stuck in a time warp? Once that is set, your character moves there automatically. And for those of us who like a bit more flair, there is also multi-spot movement. This lets you create a full route by tapping multiple points on the map and your character follows the path like it's on a rail. It is perfect for hitting up a bunch of Pokestops, farming item or walking off those 10k eggs without setting foot outside. And don't worry, you can pause the route anytime to catch a wild spawn or do a gym battle, then pick up right where you left off. Another game-changing feature it offers is called Auto Catcher. This clever feature automatically throws Pokeballs at near Pokemon, even while the app is running in the background. It's totally hand-free, making catching effortless, and yes, shiny Pokemon are included. They are just rare, not immune. During special events, your chances shoot up, so keep an eye out. At last, I just want to say that PoGoskill turns Pokemon Go into Pokemon Flow. Whether you are grinding XP, exploring new cities from your sofa, or just playing more efficiently, this tool makes it incredibly fun and easy. So check out the link in the description if you want to give it a try. And yes, I tested all of this myself, so you don't have to guess. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you have found this video useful, and if you do, then do consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid.